Welcome to SAM Official Tech. In today's fast-paced world, artificial intelligence (AI) is reshaping industries and transforming the way businesses operate. From healthcare to transportation, AI is unlocking new levels of efficiency, innovation, and decision-making power. In this video, we'll explore how AI is revolutionizing various sectors and how its cutting-edge applications are driving us toward a future of automation, accuracy, and growth. Stay tuned as we dive into the world of AI and its immense potential to change everything we know about work and technology. Artificial intelligence is playing a crucial role in healthcare by improving diagnostics, treatment plans, and patient outcomes. AI algorithms analyze massive amounts of medical data to detect diseases early, recommend personalized treatment options, and predict patient recovery times. AI-powered tools are also assisting doctors in making more accurate diagnoses. For example, machine learning models can scan X-rays or MRIs faster and more precisely than the human eye, detecting even the smallest abnormalities. Additionally, AI is being used in drug discovery, helping researchers identify potential cures for complex diseases more efficiently. The financial sector is leveraging AI to automate tasks such as fraud detection, credit scoring, and risk assessment. AI-driven algorithms can analyze transaction patterns to detect fraudulent activities in real time, protecting both consumers and financial institutions. In investment management, AI is revolutionizing the way portfolios are managed, using predictive analytics to forecast market trends and make informed investment decisions. Robo-advisors powered by AI are providing users with personalized financial advice, making wealth management accessible to a broader audience. AI is at the core of the Industry 4.0 revolution, where smart factories are becoming the norm. In manufacturing, AI-driven robots and systems are automating production lines, enhancing efficiency, and reducing downtime. Predictive maintenance, powered by AI, ensures that machines are serviced before they break down, minimizing costly interruptions. Additionally, AI enables real-time quality control, analyzing products for defects and ensuring they meet high standards before leaving the factory. With AI at its helm, manufacturing is becoming more agile, scalable, and cost-effective. Retailers are using AI to enhance customer experiences through personalization and improved service. AI algorithms analyze consumer data to make personalized recommendations based on buying habits, preferences, and browsing history. Chatbots, powered by AI, offer 24/7 customer support, answering queries and resolving issues in real time. AI is also being used for inventory management, predicting which products will be in demand and optimizing stock levels. By leveraging AI, retailers are providing tailored shopping experiences that increase customer satisfaction and loyalty. In the transportation industry, AI is the driving force behind the development of autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars use AI to navigate roads, recognize objects, and make real-time decisions to ensure passenger safety. AI is also being used to optimize traffic management systems, reducing congestion and improving road safety. In logistics, AI-powered systems are optimizing delivery routes, cutting fuel costs, and speeding up delivery times. As AI technology advances, fully autonomous vehicles may become a regular feature on roads around the world. Agriculture is benefiting from AI through precision farming techniques that optimize crop yields and reduce waste. AI-powered drones and sensors collect data on soil conditions, moisture levels, and plant health, providing farmers with actionable insights to improve their farming practices. Autonomous tractors and harvesters equipped with AI can plant, monitor, and harvest crops with high accuracy, reducing the need for manual labor. Additionally, AI algorithms can predict weather patterns and recommend the best times for planting and irrigation, ensuring more efficient use of resources. In the energy sector, AI is optimizing resource management and enabling sustainable practices. AI algorithms are being used to monitor energy consumption patterns, predict demand, and adjust supply accordingly. In renewable energy, AI helps manage the integration of solar and wind power into the grid, ensuring that energy is used efficiently and stored when not needed. Additionally, AI is aiding in the maintenance of energy infrastructure by identifying potential failures in power plants, pipelines, and wind turbines before they occur. Artificial intelligence is transforming education by personalizing learning experiences and increasing student engagement. AI-powered platforms can assess individual learning styles, strengths, and weaknesses, tailoring educational content accordingly. Intelligent tutoring systems provide students with instant feedback and suggest additional resources for improvement. Moreover, AI is making education more accessible to students with disabilities, providing assistive technologies such as speech recognition and text-to-speech tools. As AI continues to evolve, it holds the potential to reshape education into a more inclusive and effective system. The entertainment industry is leveraging AI to create more immersive experiences and transform content creation. AI algorithms are used in video game development to create realistic, responsive environments and NPC, non-player character behavior. In the film industry, AI is assisting with everything from script writing to special effects. AI is also being used in music production, helping artists create new melodies and analyze trends. Streaming services like Netflix and Spotify use AI to recommend movies, TV shows, and music based on user preferences, ensuring personalized entertainment experiences. Law enforcement agencies are adopting AI to enhance public safety and improve crime prevention. AI-powered surveillance systems use facial recognition and behavioral analysis to detect suspicious activities in real time. Predictive policing algorithms analyze historical crime data to identify high-risk areas and help allocate police resources more effectively. Additionally, AI is assisting forensic investigators by analyzing evidence, such as fingerprints or DNA samples, with greater speed and accuracy. While AI is making law enforcement more efficient, it also raises concerns about privacy and ethical use. Artificial intelligence is playing a critical role in space exploration, helping scientists analyze vast amounts of data from telescopes, satellites, and space missions. AI-powered systems are used to navigate spacecraft, analyze planetary conditions, and predict the behavior of celestial objects. NASA is using AI to process data from Mars rovers, enabling them to operate autonomously and make decisions based on real-time conditions. AI is also being used to identify potential planets for human colonization, advancing our understanding of the universe. AI is revolutionizing human resources by automating recruitment and talent management processes. AI-driven platforms can screen resumes, conduct initial interviews, and identify top candidates, reducing the time and effort required by HR teams. AI is also being used to assess employee performance and provide personalized training recommendations. Additionally, AI-driven chatbots are streamlining communication between HR departments and employees, addressing common queries and offering support. By optimizing these processes, AI is making HR more efficient and data-driven. In supply chain management, AI is optimizing logistics, improving inventory management, and reducing operational costs. More personalized customer service, enhancing the overall customer experience. As AI continues to advance, its potential applications will expand, impacting industries in ways we can't yet imagine. From self-learning algorithms to AI-powered robotics, the future of AI is full of promise. However, as we move forward, it's essential to address the ethical and societal challenges that AI presents, ensuring that it benefits all of humanity and not just a select few. Thank you for watching. AI is undoubtedly transforming global industries, creating opportunities, and shaping the future of work and technology. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Join us at Sam Official Tech * for more deep dives into how technology is changing the world, one breakthrough at a time. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.